What is going on, my YouTube friends? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day with fall coming and everything like that, and Halloween and the rain. The leaves are falling, and hey, guess what? They're blowing them down the road. Let the wind go ahead and carry them, baby. Yeah, buddy. Well, today, this video is about Armor Shield. Armor Shield sent me their product, and they said that they would really like for me to put it on my Mach 1 and do a review on it. Little do they know, I've already done a giveaway on this stuff. I give it away to a couple of my YouTube friends, and I'm not sure if they used it yet or not, because hey, it takes some time. I mean, you really got to get the paint right and get everything done right before you actually apply this to your car. And I haven't had time to, because I'm negotiating contracts right now, and most of the people that know me, they know what I'm talking about. So with this being said, is that I have Armor Shield 9. This is what they sent me, and I got the little box right here. We're going to open it up, and we're going to pull this stuff out. Yeah, here's the stuff right there. So we're going to get in there and show exactly what all it comes with. And it comes with a applicator. It's like this. Looks like a little chalk eraser, but it's pretty cool. And they give you like a business card. It's kind of like a business card. So you got to take the applicator that they have here in this little bag. You take this applicator and you put it on here. And I don't want to take it out of the bag right now because I don't want to get no dust or nothing on it. And you use this card. There's some slots on the side here, and you kind of lay this over, drape it over it, and you kind of use this card and you kind of push them in. That way it keeps it tight, so when you do the application, it'll stay tight and it'll be on your car. And like I said, I don't want to open up the bag right now because I don't want to get it dirty, or get it dusty or whatnot, because they will definitely scratch your car. And they give you a pair of gloves to use. Yeah, buddy. So you're all set, man. And it gives you directions here. Get this out. So it gives you some directions here on all that you got to do, the instructions. And I will read the instructions to make sure I apply this on there right. And then they sent me a little sticker in there, so that's really cool. So let me go ahead and put the stuff back in here, and then we'll start talking about it a little bit. And I'm really excited that they sent me this. I just feel bad that I haven't done it yet because I haven't had the time, but we're gonna get it done because I still gotta get the paint ready and stuff like that, and get all the contaminants and everything before I do this, because I'm hearing that it'll show right through it, and we don't want that. We don't want that. So go ahead and put this back in there. Put the bottle in there. Yeah. But yeah, so this stuff, I mean, it's some really nice stuff, and I've seen a couple of my YouTube friends use it, and they've really liked it. But I've given 2 of these away. 2 of these, because I bought them and I really didn't use them, so I didn't want them sitting around a long time, so I did a couple giveaways on it, so that way they could use them in that. So I'm glad I did it, and I'm super glad that they sent me the product to use. Ceramic coating, baby. They say that stuff works really good on your car. It helps protects the paint. It helps protects the UV rays for your paint, so that way your paint don't dull out and stuff like that. And it helps to clean your car, to get it clean. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you have to clean it, keep the paint. They say you can just spray it off and it'll just come off and wipe it off and you're done. On top of it, they gave me a bottle of this. That's right. So it's a ceramic coating spray, and I've used this, and I've already done a video on this, but I'm going to do another video because I got cars. My wife, she's got the GT350, the 2018, black with white stripes, and she washed the car on a hot day, and it left water spots on it. She wasn't happy. She wasn't happy with me because I didn't run outside and help her dry it off fast. But you know what? I love her. So anyhow, I says, hey man, I had this spray, and I said, go out there, spray it on the water spot, spray it on your car, wipe it off. It's too hot to use this stuff. You can use this stuff in any type of weather. If you want to go out there and do it in the rain, you can do it in the rain. That's up to you. But you can use this when the car is hot, the paint's hot. Look, this stuff, it speaks for itself. I mean, I really enjoy using this stuff. And like I said, I've already I already used it and did a video on it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's a spray application. You just spray it on and, you know, kind of I let it haze up a little bit and then wipe it off, and then I flip the rag and then I wipe it, and man, does it works good. And I've used it on the 21. I've used it on the 70. I mean, this stuff is fantastic. So in order for me to use this right here, I need to get the paint, get all the impurities and stuff off the paint, because I've had the car for over a year. You know, next April will be 2 years I've had that car. And I got 4,000 miles on it, but still, I mean, the dust and everything else that's in the garage and everything that gets on the car, you know, so I need to clean it up good. So then we'll do the ceramic coating on it and get it done. But I just felt bad, and I needed to start a video with it so that way they know that I am serious and I'm going to get this done. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, guys, I'm going to put a link down below for Avalon King, and I'm going to put a link down below where I applied it to one of my cars. So guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I tell them you're awesome. And again, thanks for watching. And all my new subscribers, thank you. And all my old subscribers, thank you too. Guys, have a great rest of your day, night, whenever time it was you watched this, man. We'll talk with you soon, and we'll get that ceramic coating put on there. I promise. Hold your horses. Don't leave yet. I got a little other thing that they gave me, and I didn't mention it. Boy, oh boy. So anyhow, they sent me this 6-pack. Yes, they did, of rags. So that way, microfiber rags. So that way, I can use these and get them on a car. And they come in a nice little package. Actually, a reusable package. So it's kind of nice. You can, after you use them and stuff like that, you can go ahead and wash them and repack them in here, and they'll stay. They'll be clean. Pretty awesome, huh? All right, now you can go ahead and log off. I'll talk to y'all soon. You guys are awesome. Yeah, I know. I should have ended this a long time ago, huh?